It's me, it's Cliff from the Go and Clear channel. I am back with that second video I promised you. Slightly chaotic. It's an unboxing of another Louis Vuitton pochette. I'm addicted. And this is a bit of a long-winded story, but I'm going to try and summarize it. Basically, it took 1 month to arrive, even though it was quoted to come in between 3 to 5 working days on the Louis Vuitton website. Was it worth the wait? Low key was. What do you think? I'm undecided. Inside it's got some like a blue lining. You've got your... Oh, they actually don't have card holder slots inside of here. They don't have the card holder slots that you usually have. So you've got... You can't really see inside of it, where it's Louis Vuitton embossed. One sort of hidden pocket. Give it authenticity information. This kind of like... I don't know how I feel about that. Especially for the price that it retails at. There's that one. I still obviously have my original. I don't know how I feel about that. I think it is cute. I'm definitely going to keep it. I won't even have time to rock it today. Let me show you my other one. Just a second. I actually have this in like a light blue denim as well. But in terms of comparisons internally, I've got stuff in here. But it'll be interesting to see what I keep in here. So, chewing gum, berry flavour, always good to have. A pair of glasses. Don't know if I have it. The Millionaire 1.1s. He matched the fit. I might actually rock that today. I like what it's doing. Okay, I also have headphones. Now, this is very, very chaotic. My favourite headphones of the moment are these Apple Beats ones. But as you can see, I've lost them 3 or 4 times. Lost actual headphones, which is annoying. I still have the charge case, so if you can see, empty. 1, 2. I actually have brought them back again, so I'll keep these. Beats, I know you're watching. Louis Vuitton, I